Hi everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens 12 box 2021 Series 2 case break 2445. So sorry about the few minutes delay in starting this one. So current date and time, it is Thursday, April 22nd at 8:06 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and Thursday, April 22nd at 11:06 p.m. Eastern Time. We're live on Breakers, live on YouTube, and of course for anyone who has a Summer site, you can sign up there. That's what we scheduled coming up here. And the team buys, we'll just pause on here for about 30 seconds. So the Ducks is Anoka 99 going down to Ernie's Collectibles with the fly. So hopefully you guys see your names there. And the Penguins is Ernie's going to Titan 76 with the Winnipeg Jets. So here we go, guys. So appreciate everyone for joining. And of course, for anyone who hasn't done any breaks with us, we'll spend the first few minutes here opening the packs from the box, and then we'll go through everything together. The camera that's set up right over here is where my mother will be helping me out with the pack ripping. So here we go, guys. Definitely hoping there's gonna be another banger case. So tomorrow night we got Series 2 again. You guys, and probably next week there, probably similar type of break schedule. Sneak in a couple more Series 2 for you guys. Just gotta make sure that the camera's good. Here we go, guys. My magic, huh? Oh my. Okay. So just give me 20 seconds here, guys. Okay, so start that off. Sorry, Mom just has to go help a customer. So good luck, guys. You got Vitek, Vanisic for the Capitals. French Young Gun, Mackenzie Inwhistle going out to the Blackhawks. Oh, sorry, that one's going out sleeve. And right off the bat, we got Young Guns for the Ottawa Senators. Tim Stützle. Nice hit on a Kenner guy. Kenner. Canvas, Dougie Hamilton. And Young Guns Checklist, which will be random between the Senators and Sabres unless we got a second one. Tim Stützle, Cousins. Rookie Materials, Maxim Latunov. San Jose. Dylan Coghlan for Vegas. Connor McMichael for the Caps. Connor Hellebuck. Double hit here. We got Canvas, Shea Weber, and Connor McMichael. Bone Byram for the Avalanche. Leon Draisaitl award winners. And Brain Burke for the Coyotes. Young Gun. One sec here. Let's leave up a couple of these bigger Young Guns here. Pierre-Olivier Joseph for the Penguins. Young Guns Anthony Angelo for the Penguins. Canvas Victor Hedman. Young Guns Nicholas Milosh for the Sharks. Dazzlers Pink Nico Hischier, New Jersey. Victor Hedman for Tampa. Portraits Bowen Byram. Marquee rookie Philip Kurashev. And Young Guns Canvas Igor Shranagovich for the Devils. Mason Marshman for Florida. These are some really off-centered base cards. Steven Lorentz for the Hurricane. And Young Guns Mattis Kablenix for the Blue Jackets. Yeah, Kai Halfley. Alright, let's get my mom to pass me half of it. Thank you. Box number 2, guys. So started off the case pretty strong there. Got Maxim Latuna for the Sharks portraits. Mackenzie and Whistle for the Blackhawks. Canvas RNH for the Oilers. Marquee rookie Connor Ingram for the Preds. Brainberg for the Coyotes. Young Guns David Case for the Fly. Mikhail Berdine for the Jets. And a French Young Gun David Case. Going out to Ernie's Collectibles. Alexander Barabanov for the Leafs. Canvas Victor Olofsson. Young Guns Brain Burke. Second Burke already, 2 for 2. And Fluorescence Timothy Liljegren for TO. And Reed Duke for Vegas. Nice that both of our French cards are both Young Guns so far. Keeps the little search a little bit. And Dumba for the Wild. Alex Ovechkin, Brent Burns, Burnsy Dazzler. Nick Robertson for the Leafs. Leon Draisaitl for Edmonton. And Young Guns, Dylan Cousins for the Sabres. Going to Parayko 55. Going to Dawn. Nice hit there. Jansen Harkins. Portraits, Gustav Lidstrom. Young Guns, Joel Kelman for the Sharks. Canvas, we got Gino. Young Guns, Cole Smith. And Alexander True, yellow, 59 of 99 for the Sharks. Going to a Fergie. And Leon Blue for Edmonton. We got Philip Broberg for Edmonton. Ryan McLeod for Edmonton. Canvas, Artem Anisimov going out to the Sens. Joe Sabol for Toronto. Hopefully my microphone volume's loud enough. Got Artem Zagadolin. Sorry, I'll turn it over a little bit. Artem Zagadolin. Maxim Latunov, Young Guns for the Sharks. Thomas Harley for Dallas. And Jordan Gross for the Coyotes. Canvas Marnikas. Young Guns Ilya Sorokin for the Isles. Go to Titan 76. And Dazzlers Sean Monahan for the Flames. And we got a marquee rookie blue Alec Regula. Alexander True for the Sharks. K.L. Makar for the Avalanche. Dazzlers Shea Weber. And for the Minnesota Wild, Canvas Young Gun, we got Kirill Kaprizov. Kenner guy. Nice. Very nice start. Oh, you bought both the big teams tonight too. We got Jake Onger for Dallas. Chase Prisky for Florida. Gage Quinney for Vegas. Nikolai Nizov for the Sharks. And Max Pacioretty for Vegas. Darren Radish for the Rangers. Canvas checklist, which will be random between the Flames and Senators. Got Matt, Kachuk, and Brady. So we'll do that one at the end here. Young Guns, Yanni Hakampa for the Ducks. And clear cut, Pavel Buchnevich. Or Buchnevich. And Ty Dellandrea for Dallas. Focus stats of those over. We got Oli Uolevi for Vancouver. Vitek Vanacek for the Capitals. Canvas Mike Riley for the Senators. Alec Regula for Chicago. Vitek Vanacek for the Caps. Young Guns Alexander Ulison to the Flames. Stuart Skinner for Edmonton. And Young Guns Kevin Lankinen for the Blackhawks. And Canvas Darcy Kemper for the Coyotes. And for Minnesota, we got Kirill Kaprizov. Nice hit. Penner guy. How's it going, Vincent? Yep. Rookie materials. Payne Krebs. Mr. Krebs. Thomas Harley for Dallas. And the base there. Anthony Angelo for the Penguins. And Bobby Ryan for the Sens. Canvas, Jordan Binnington, and Dazzlers, Brock Nelson. Payne Krebs for Vegas. Alec Regula for the Blackhawks. And Young Guns, Brian Pinho for the Caps. And Jalen Chatfield for the Canucks. And Program of Excellence, we got Jumbo Joe. So this one is going out to Toronto. He did start the season with the Toronto Maple Leaf. So Jumbo Joe. POE, he is currently still active, so that's going to Newsstand Nation. Joe Sakic, POE. Brandon Hagel for the Blackhawks. And red border, Ryan McLeod for Edmonton. Igor Zumala for the Fly. And Ryan McLeod for Edmonton. Here we go, box number 5. Got Alexander Alexeyev for the Caps. Oli Ulevi, marquee rookie. Canvas Nikolai Ehlers for the Peg. Alexander Alexeyev again. Maybe regular French young gun or base cards. Philip Broberg for Edmonton. And Young Guns Keegan Kolesar going out to Vegas. Victor Soderstrom for the Coyotes, and French Mike Hoffman. So variant Francais, I guess how you say it, but I could be wrong. Mason Marchment for the Panthers. Young Guns, Andreas Athanasiou. Holy moly. For the Minnesota Wild, we got Kirill Kaprizov. Wow. What box? We're only on box 5. We've hit 3 Kaprizovs. That's insane. Fluorescence, Oli Ulevi. Going to a Titan. And Nico Mikula for the Blues. Wow, what a nasty, nasty start. So I guess, Mr. Kenner, you can just shut her down after this box. Nothing else for you to watch unless you get a third one. That has happened once already. Or third regular one. Our team Zagadolin for the Flames. Nathan McKinnon Award winners. Canvas, Tony D'Angelo and Sean Monahan. To the Flames. Shane Bowers for the Avalanche. Igor Zumala for the Fly. Young Guns, William Lagesson. Ty Dellandrea for Dallas. Darren Radish for the Rangers. Young Guns, Nikolai Nizov for the Sharks. And Ken Morrow Canvas for the Isles. And a pregame Leon. And Victor Soderstrom for the Coyotes. What an insane start there, guys. So box number 6 here that we're starting. Chase Prisky for the Panthers. Young Guns, Gage Quinney for the Vegas Knights. Canvas, Sean Couturier for the Flyers. Young Guns, Max Latunov for San Jose. And day with the cup, Andrei Vasilevsky. Nice hit. Xavier 90 or 980. Dylan Coghlan. To Vegas. Lucas Carlson for the Blackhawks. And Mark Giordano going out to the Flames. And Young Guns, Igor Shranagovich. Canvas, Drew Doughty. And Young Guns, Niels Hoglander for Vancouver. Going to Titan. Clear cut, Ropey Heinz. Vitaly Kravtsov. And Mikey Anderson portraits for the Kings. Roman Josi for the Preds. Dazzlers, Nico Hischier. And Young Guns Canvas, Calfoot. Going to Xavier. Michael McNivian. To the Habs. Joel Kiviranta. Young Guns, Brandon Hagel. Brandon Hagel for the Blackhawks. Marquee rookie, Pavel Francouz. Canvas, Sam Reinhart. Connor McMichael for the Caps. Stuart Skinner for Edmonton. And Young Guns, Jordan Gross. We got Morgan Kiki for the Hurricane. We got marquee rookie Alexis Lafreniere. Canvas, Blake Wheeler. Marquee rookie Gilson. Award winners Victor Hedman. Young Guns, Cole Smith. Reed Duke for Vegas. And Anders Nilsson for the Ottawa Senators. Young Guns, Calvin Thorkov. Canvas, Connor McDavid. And Dylan Cousins for the Buffalo Sabres. Got rookie materials, Alexander Alexeyev. And Mikhail Berdine for the Jets. Got Payne Krebs for Vegas. Award winners for Tampa. Canvas, Alex Fallow and Josh Norris. Alex Belzile. slowly again. Oh, there we are. Victor Soderstrom for the Coyotes. And Young Guns, Alexander Barabanov. And Jake Onger for Dallas. And Young Guns, Steven Lawrence for the Hurricane. Canvas, Adam Fox. And Young Guns, Philip Desrosiers for the Panthers. And Joe Savoie for Toronto Red, O-Pee-Chee. And Philip Kurashev for the Blackhawks. To box number 8 here. Alex Belzile for the Canadiens. Leon for the Oil. Canvas, John Tavares and Anthony Mantha. We got Karel Ostamenko. Thomas Harley. Young Guns, Chase Prisky. Connor Ingram. Chase Prisky. And Young Guns Canvas, got Mr. Ty Smith. Going to Wes. Marquee rookie, Brain Burke. Karel Ostamenko for the Fly. Joe Savoie. Yeah, what Moosey said. 2 more spots in football for Saturday. I think almost everything's going to be pretty close to filling up. Anthony Angelo for the Penguins. Young Guns, Keegan Kolesar. To Vegas. Canvas, Joe Pavelski. Mason Marshman. Appreciate my mom for her help again. Box filler, Ryan Reeves. Wow, Vegas. Go to PCA. Go to Pat. Philip Broberg. Got Mattis Kavlenix and Robbie Fabry for the Red Wings. Young Guns, Pius Sutter. Anders Lee Canvas for the Isles. John Leonard for the Sharks. There we are. There's our hit. Clear cut, Nikolai Nizov for the Sharks. The Fergie. Or Fergie. And our team Zagadolin. One out to the Flames. Not a bad box there. 2 clear cuts, or an acetate hit and a clear cut. So I'm just gonna do this one, and then I'm just gonna quickly flip off the camera on there, and we'll move everything else up. The last 4 stacks up here. Okay, here we go, guys. This is box number 9 here. Cale Makar for the Avalanche. Canvas, Cale Makar and Morgan Riley for Toronto. Jake Onger for Dallas. Philip Kershaw for the Blackhawks. Young Guns Mackenzie Inwhistle for the Blackhawks. Young Guns Mackenzie Inwhistle. Mason Marchment for Florida. Joe Kiviranta for Dallas. And Jalen Chatfield for the Canucks. Canvas Carter Hart. And Young Guns David Case for the Fly. And the exclusives, Ilya Mikheyev, 91 of 100. I hate how tough these exclusives and high glosses are getting in these Upper Deck releases. Got Michael McNiven for the Canadiens. Ryan McLeod for the Oilers. Canvas Alex Killorn for the Lightning. Joseph Woll for Toronto. Dylan Coghlan for Vegas. Young Guns Nico Mikula. And Michael DiPietro for Vancouver and Cody Glass. And Yanni Hakampa for the Ducks. And Canvas Young Gun Marncott for the Avalanche. Young Guns Ilya Sorokin for the Isles. And Rookie Materials Lucas Carlson. And Ty Dellandrea for Dallas. Got Igor Zumala going out to the Flyers. Mackenzie Inwhistle. Canvas PK Subban. Connor Ingram for the Preds. Mason Marchment for Florida. And Young Guns Kevin Lankinen for the Blackhawks. Got Pavel Francouz for the Avalanche. And French Young Gun Chase Persky. Nice hit Florida going to Hoser. 3 French Young Guns. And a regular Chase Persky. And Canvas Jack Eichel. And Young Guns Ty Smith for the Devils. Nice hit there, New Jersey. Rookie Materials Nicolas Boudin. Reed Duke for Vegas. Vitaly Kuravtsov for the Rangers. Matt Dumba for the Wild. Canvas Jamie Benn and Johnny Gibson for the Ducks. Nick Robertson for Toronto. And Connor Ingram for the Jets. Young Guns Joel Kelman for the Sharks. Alec Regula. Young Guns Calfoot. Sounds like Calfoot. And POE of Ty Dellandrea for Dallas. Going to a Parayko 55. And Don. Ian Mitchell for the Blackhawks. And signature sensations for the LA Kings. We got Trevor Moore. Trevor Moore going to Figure Fanatic. And Connor Hellebuck, award winners. So just give me a sec here before we finish the last two boxes. Gotta quickly just grab a drink of water here. Sec, guys. Okay, boxes 11 and 12, guys. Quick hydration break in. Young Guns, Phila Desrosiers for the Panthers. Canvas, Tomas Hertl. Young Guns, Steven Lorentz. Pre-game, Matthew Barzal. Stuart Skinner. Karel Ostaminko. Steven Lorentz. Emil Larmi. Canvas, Mikko Rantanen. Steven Lorentz. And Bobby Ryan for the Sens. And Ty Smith, Young Gun for the Devils to Wes. And Philip Kurashev for the Blackhawks. Leon for the Oil. Gabe Velarde Dazzlers. And Young Guns Canvas Checklist, which will be random between the Wild and Islanders. We got Kaprizov and Sorokin. Kenner guy with the Wild and Islanders Titan. So, possibly 3 randoms. Philip Broberg for Edmonton. Payne Krebs for Vegas. Young Guns Austin Poganski for St. Louis. Igor Korshkov and French variation Helen Keller. Do the Helen Keller. Canvas Pekka Rinne. Young Guns Lucas Vejimo. And Young Guns Calvin Thorkov for the Blue Jackets. Clear cut Miro Heiskanen. Pierre Olivier Joseph. And box number 12 coming up. Shane Bowers for the Avalanche. Stuart Skinner for Edmonton. Canvas Ropey Heinz. Joe Kiviranta. Pierre Olivier Joseph. And Young Guns William Legason for the Oilers. Yanni Hakampa and Michael Kempney for the Capitals. Young Guns Stuart Skinner for the Oil Going to Ernie's. Canvas, Clayton Keller. Young Guns, Brandon Crawley for the Rangers. Rookie materials, Ty Dellandrea. Igor Zumala for the Fly. Base there. Mr. Skinner in the sleeve. Final stack, Nick Robertson portraits for T.O. Victor Hedman for Tampa. I thought that was a canvas we were going to slow roll into. Canvas, Kyle Palmieri and Liam Foudy for the Blue Jackets. Victor Soderstrom. Emil Larmy for the Penguins. Young Guns, Alec Regula. Emil Larmy. Alexander Romanov for the Canadiens. And Canvas, Shea Theodore for Vegas. And Mackenzie in Whistle for the Blackhawks. And a black border, Philip Kurashev to Vegas, 26 of 100. And finish up with a marquee rookie, Joe Kiviranta for Dallas. And the base. So that concludes our break here, guys. So overall, not a bad case. 3 Kaprizovs, obviously the Wild did the best in the break here. So give me a sec here. We're gonna quickly just get a couple of these cards sleeved up. And we'll quickly get our random done and let you guys enjoy the rest of your evening here. So tomorrow night we do have another Series 2 case break. For any of you guys that might be interested in that. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you guys what the order of the multi-team random. So first one we're going to do is going to be for the Senators and Sabres one. We got Tim Stützle and Dylan Cousins. Second one is Kirill Kaprizov and Ilya Sorokin. The third one is Matt Tkachuk and Brady Tkachuk. So here we go, guys. Put you guys on our screen. So multi-team randoms. First one is for the Young Guns checklist. So got each team in the randomizer 3 times. We're going to random the list 3 times. Team on top after the third random is going to receive the card. So good luck. 1, 2, 3. Going out to Buffalo on this one. Randomize this list 3 times. Congrats, Sabres. And our next one is going to be the Kaprizov and Sorokin 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That one's going out to Minnesota. That's Wild on that one. And the final one is the Tkachuk brothers. 3 times as well. 1, 2, 3. Going out to the Flames. Randomize the list 3 times.